So guys, napanood niyo ba yung mga recent live ni Miss Heart Evangelista at tinakal na naman po niya at sinagot niya yung mga nagtatanong about dun sa mga black propaganda, hiring third party to shadow ban her contents, and of course yung mga stolen contacts na sinasabi niya. And sabi nga niya at the end of the day, hindi naman nga mananaig yun dahil nga yung ginagawa niya is for love and passion na rin. Pero guys, syempre hindi pa rin natin mapigilan talaga manghinayang kasi yung mga ginagawa niyang contents, deserve naman talaga ng mas marami pang views, 'di ba? Kaya lang syempre, alam niyo yung spamming scheme na ginagawa ng iba para yung mga inggit sa'yo, ma-shadow ban ka. Kasi nangyayari din naman yan kahit kanino eh. Kahit naman sa akin nangyayari yan minsan. Yung iba dyan nag spam sila. Pero sabi nga, tama naman yon kapag passion mo talaga wala naman makakapigil sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy lang dapat. Tara, panoorin natin yung live niya no nakaraan.
Huwag lang akong nanakawan ng contacts kasi nanakawan ako. And that's true. I had to explain to so many people, oh my God, in Paris. But it is what it is. But the more they do it, the more you'll get blessed. Sabi nga ng isa, babaksak daw ako, wait and see. Wait and see because God is with me. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Okay?
Ayan.
All right. So, pero I'm not gonna take away the fact that I was really, really pissed off. If I'm gonna just be brutally honest, if you want something in life, you don't have to use people or you don't have to step on people to get to what you want. You know, you can be
Tama.
inspired. I'm always inspired by people, but I never ever would on purposely go nagagalit sila, nag-aaway na, on purposely go on that path to try to take somebody out and take her seat in the show and stuff like that. It's just super wrong. Women should support each other and women should, you just ask me. If you asked me for contacts, I would have given it to you. This is the new, and thanks because I had to be pushed a lot to be like this. Mo years and years ko siyang tinabaho, tapos ganun lang. Kinuha lang yung shoot eh. Ba't ganun talaga?
Alam niyo, grabe yung words of wisdom ni Miss Heart Evangelista. I really admire her. At gusto ko yung sinabi niya na hindi mo kailangan manapak ng tao or hindi mo kailangan manggamit ng tao para makuha mo yung gusto mo, 'di ba? At saka hindi naman talaga makukuha lahat ng mga bagay ng madalian. Makukuha mo nga, ayan, masisira ka naman sa ibang tao, 'di ba? So minsan may mga bagay talaga na kailangan natin mag-start sa maliit or mag-start ng paghirapan natin yung mga bagay-bagay kasi 'di ba tulad noon, pinaghirapan lahat ni Miss Heart Evangelista yung position niya, yung mga contacts niya, tapos bigla na lang nanakawin. So, very wrong, 'di ba? Anyways, Miss Heart Evangelista, alam naman namin na tama. Sabi mo nga, it's not for fame, it's the passion because you love what you're doing. And syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami magsusuporta sa iyo because we love you. So yun lang ating Showbiz Chika for today's video, guys. And don't forget to follow for more viral news and Showbiz Chika. Miss Heart, we love you. Mwah.